Hello everybody and welcome to I Scrap Happy Video. It's your girl Alicia here with a room tour. Okay guys, so really exciting. I finally ordered my desk, custom ordered a desk for my craft room, and I'm getting a few additional pieces that I want to put in my room. So I wanted to go ahead and give you guys a tour of what my current craft room looks like, because it will be undergoing a facelift, a transformation, a complete change. So wanted to share that with you guys. So why am I standing in this room? Because it's part of the room where my craft room is located. So this is the kids' game room or playroom, where they play their ping pong and stuff like that. And whenever I'm working on a project, as you can see, if I need to spread out, the ping pong table comes in handy. So right now I'm working on a baby shower for a family member. So wanted to spread out so I could get some stuff done. So I'm die cutting over here, just working on everything in this vicinity right here. But where my craft room is located, it's actually over here. And I'll give you guys a quick pan around. So this is where I entered, right here. And this is my craft room. So starting on the right, have my Expedit, my Jetmax cubes, my main workspace is in the middle. More Jetmax cubes. I think they're called Calyx now. My TV, stuff all over the floor, and another workspace over here. Lots and lots of natural light does come into this room. All right guys, so I'm not gonna go through and open every drawer. I'll just show you guys how my craft room's organized right now, because once I get my custom pieces in and new furniture in, it's gonna be completely organized differently, and I'll do another video sharing with you guys what that looks like once the room's done. All right, so let's start over here on the left. So that's my daughter's chair, because as you know, she's my new craft buddy. So she hangs out in here with me in that chair. And this is where I do my project live. So all my core kits are here. This is my mixed media box. It has like all my canvases and my sketch pads, etc. I also have my color mediums up here, some of them. Pencil crayons, more pencil crayons, gelatos. A lot of my stamp pads are here, and some of my my collectibles, my Stampin' Bellas, CC Design stamps, my Timmy ink pads, this thing I don't use anymore, and yeah. So this is the first workstation, and it's right by the window, so I get lots of light over here. Love to color in this spot. Connected to my craft room is a bathroom. So I do have access to a sink where I can wash my stencils, my brushes, things like that. I'm not going to go in there. If you guys want to see a home tour, let me know down in the comments. I'm still working on decorating my house because there is a lot to do. All right, so over here where I watch my TV, I have my AccuCut dies. I have a lot of embellishments over here, mainly flowers. These boxes have all my completed cards. And then just moving over here really quickly, I do have an old Expression, yeah, scan and cut, my laminator, and my grand caliber in blue. And the washing machine is done. So over here I have stickers, stamps, and more stamps. And this is my laundry room. Not gonna go in there, but I do have overflow of craft room stuff in there, but not gonna go in there. Over here I have all my Jetmax cubes, my Timmy tools, waste of money. That's a Cricut Imagine, by the way, guys. My Clip It Up, and then my also loved embellishment centers. I love those. Over on this side, this box just has more baby shower stuff. Over here, this is where I store my washi tapes, etc. Metal embellishments are here. This is usually hanging on the wall. Well, it was in my old craft room. I just never hung it here. This workspace I never sit at, but it does have my Project Life binder that I'm working on right now. More stuff for the baby shower. Oh my gosh, guys, it's gonna be so much fun. I can't wait. More stuff. This is where I store all my wooden stamps. I wanted to do a giveaway on this, but I never got around to doing it because I went out on maternity leave, or I had a baby. But it's a vintage. Basically, it's a big shot. And I may still do a giveaway with that because I do have another one already. As well as I do have these two big boys up here. These are my big shots, again by Sizzix. I have another Grand Caliber and my Cuttlebug and my cinch binding tool. Love it is on that end. And then while we're here at this Calyx unit, I have paints here, paints, lots of storage for my Cricut cartridges, embellishments, cardstock, stuff. It's just lots of stuff. And guys, I did do a mini album, but I haven't seen mini albums a lot in videos recently. Are you guys still into that stuff? I would love to make a video sharing with you guys how I put that one together. Let me know down in the comments. All right, so back to the room. This is my main work table. And this is the main reason why I'm redoing this craft room. It's too small. I definitely need a bigger space because I'm so like pressed for space here. I barely have any work surface. So that's why I have overflow into the kids' playroom on the, why are you crying, sweetie? On this, what do you call it? Ping pong table. Because it's such a huge surface and then I have so much more space to play with. So this is really tiny. I'm getting a completely... You want to watch Peppa? No. Okay, take it to Kai Kai. Kai Kai put it on Peppa for you. So this area, I plan on having a really big, longer desk. Custom built. I drew it out and everything. It's going to be custom built just for me. Whoop, whoop, whoop. So can't wait to get that. Changing out the chair. I'll probably paint this wall. I wouldn't paint the entire room because that's just too much. But I may paint the feature wall here. Get rid of all the stuff on the wall and recreate, you know, just make it a much more me room. Yeah, so that's my scrapbook room, guys, how it is right now. I just hope to redo it and make it a lot more functional and a lot more organized, because right now I just have stuff everywhere and nothing's like, it's just not organized the way I want it to be. And it's a big space. As you guys can tell, I'm at the far end of the room. It's a pretty decent sized room. It just needs to be organized better, make it a lot more functional. So this is what it looks like now, and I'll be switching out a lot of these pieces because, guys, they're old. Look at this. Yeah, it's time to go back to IKEA. So I'll be getting rid of all of these pieces and just revamping my whole room. So guys, I may do a video of us putting everything together in the room. Not sure. I may just come back with it all done and be like, hey, this is my new craft room. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys down in the comments. Bye.